So welcome back to day 9, yes, day 9 of our advent calendar RC car build. So this is what we've built so far. Right, so let's get on to day 9 just here. Trying to get my fat fingers in to open it without ripping the whole box. Oh, what do we have here? So we have a steering servo. So here is our steering servo. So as you can see, it's a motor here that runs through a gearbox to then the servo horn. And we've got some screws. Let's get it built. Okay, so to give you an idea of how it lines up, you can see you've got just there a little bit of a cutout, and then on top here, you might just be able to see, I'll just do it this way, there is a slot just there. So you've got a little bit of a slot there, and the servo horn. So the servo horn will go into that cutout just there, and then you've got the slot there that fits into that slot. It does take a little bit just to try and get it lined up. And there we are. There's no screws in it yet. There's no point boring you with them. So I'll get them in now, and then we'll look at it. And there we are. That is the steering servo on that front axle in. I will admit, because it's not a proper steering servo, it's a motor into a gearbox to the servo horn there, instead of just being a little thing with it all inbuilt that goes on. That is a lot of weight. They probably could have made something better for this price point. It was £50, but still, they could have done something a little bit better. There's a lot of weight on the front there. Granted, when you're going up rocks, you're probably going to want a lot of front weight to keep the grip on that front, but could have been better. Anyway, that is it. That is day 9 complete. Thank you for watching. Hopefully we'll see you tomorrow for day 10, and we'll continue this advent calendar RC car build. Stay amped. Merry Christmas.